Hello my friend, and this time I will show how to change this grass trimmer's line. And this grass trimmer is black+decker and it has also this cable here. I'll show you first that this kind of black+decker, this which has this battery and this newer one, it's really easy to change. You just push from here and here. You just push and then you open this and then you change the line from there. But these older models, if you have that kind of trimmer, this black+decker, this is a little bit older one. How do I change this? Because it's really tight one and it's really hard to get out because you can't take it away and there's no buttons. You need a special tool, and here I have this special tool, this kind of tool, and then you just take it from here and you grip here tight and then open, and then this will open, and then you can, as we can see, there was old line here and we just put it here back and we assemble it here and from there, and now we have that line there. And this is the way how to change this, and that was my information this time. So have a nice day and thumbs up my friend, and see you on the next video. Goodbye.